everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Pia. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a new product to me. I know it's not necessarily a new item, but it's new to me and I wanted to share it with you guys and show you guys how I use it and just my overall thoughts and unboxing. So you guys obviously already know what this product is by the name of the title, but if you aren't already familiar, this is the Dyson Air Wrap. So it comes in this really pretty cognac brown tan case, and when you open it up, you have this little leather piece and it comes with 8 different heads. So I will go through each attachment individually and then you guys will actually see me use 2 of the 8 attachments in my hair to get the hairstyle that I have right now. So we're gonna start off with the main part of the Air Wrap, which is this part. So this is the actual like wand aspect of it. I love how lightweight and sleek this wand is. It has a lock and unlock for every time you put in the attachment up here. It has 3 different speeds for the amount of air that comes out of it, as well as 3 different temperatures. It has a cold mode, medium, and then hot. And then over here is the power button, and with the power button you have cool shot. So this is super lightweight, very sleek and skinny, so I really like this. And then all the heads just snap in super easily and it locks on its own in the back. So the first attachment that we're going to be talking about is the pre-drying attachment. So this one, you apply this when your hair is soaking wet, and this will just help get your hair to a nice rough dry so that you can use all the other attachments. So not much to say about this, super sleek and skinny, which I like, and everything is super lightweight. So I like that a lot. That the Dyson Air Wrap is obviously most known for are the Air Wrap barrels. So you get 2 sizes and you get 2 of each barrel because they go in separate directions. So you'll see that there's arrows on each one to kind of guide you on which side to use. So if you're about to do this side of your hair, you'd use the one facing away. Or if you like your curls going towards your face, you can use the opposite one. It's basically to go in different directions with the curls. So that's what I use today. I personally like when my curls go away from my face. So I used one barrel, this barrel for this side, and then this barrel for this side. So you have, I believe this is 1 inch and this is 3/4 of an inch. But if there is a correction, I'll leave it right here. These were super easy to use. I was actually super surprised. You guys will see in the tutorial part of the video, it only took me about 20 minutes to do my hair, and it went from wet to dried and curly within 20 minutes, which is really impressive. And then you get 2 brush heads. So one is a firm brush head and then one is a soft brush head. So I played around with these a little bit yesterday and they were really good for just smoothing out your hair, because if your hair is anything like mine, typically when I dry it with a normal hair dryer, it kind of gets a little bit frizzy and you'll see more of my flyaways going everywhere. This one just really smooths out the hair, which I really liked, and it gave me a super sleek, straight look. So not much to say about these, but these ones are also really, really good. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love an at-home blowout. So there is a round brush attachment. This one is amazing for doing, just like I said, at-home blowouts. I really like that you go from wet to dry instantly. And I know there are a lot of products comparable to this on the market, but one of the things that I did notice that was a drastic difference from any of the ones that I've tried is the Dyson technology really allows your hair to be super smooth and silky, and it doesn't have those like crazy flyaways or dry out your hair. I didn't put any product in my hair. There's no oil in it, just straight from the shower. I just used this product because I really wanted to test the integrity of it and test the technology and see how it works with my hair. And I know from past experiences with similar round brush products, after I use it, my hair just looks super dry. I need to put tons of oil in it, and then all my flyaways, especially at the top of my head, are like going crazy. So this product does retail for $549.99 US dollars, but I think for the amount of attachments that you're getting 8 attachments as well as the base and then this really sleek leather bound case. I do think it's worth it. That's all I really have to say about this. So I know you guys are probably waiting for me to stop talking so you can see the tutorial aspect of it. So I will show you guys that right now. So now I have these 2 heads. This is for the Air Wrap. The curls, obviously this is what the Dyson Air Wrap is most known for, so I figured I would show you guys how to do that really quickly. Relatively easy to use, so you obviously, they're going in 2 different directions, so depending on what side of your head you're doing, you would change the head of the tool. I'll just take my Air Wrap and I'm gonna start with this side first, and what you'll do is just fasten it. You can see here that it'll show when it's locked. And then what you can do is take small sections, maybe like an inch. You can do half an inch if you want the curls to be a little tighter. And then what I like to do before I turn it on is I kind of like to start at the end of my hair, you'll see. And then once the hair kind of suctions onto this, I'll move it up and down. I won't be able to talk through it, obviously, because it'll be a little loud, but you'll see me do that up and down motion, and it just gives really nice curls that are more concentrated towards the end of the hair. Just completed this side of my hair. You can see that I like concentrating most of the curls towards the end of my hair. I don't really want it curly all throughout my head, but you can see that this is the finished look. This side of my head literally took me maybe 7 minutes to do, so it's super quick, and now my hair is completely dry. So I feel like overall it's a really cool tool. Like, for my hair to go from wet to dry within 10 minutes and also get a hairstyle that I really like, I feel like it does an incredible job. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch the head and I'm gonna do this side of my hair exactly the same way, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished the second half of my hair. Again, that only took me anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes to do this side of my hair. So from wet to dry, it takes about 20 minutes depending on how much hair you have, at least in my experience, to fully curl your hair, which I don't think is bad at all, because if you were using a different type of product, obviously you'd have to dry your hair first and then get your curling iron. So this really does eliminate a lot of steps. And then this is what the finished hair looks like. I haven't put any oil on it or anything, which is actually super impressive, because typically after you dry your hair, you have a lot of like frizz or just like hair kind of flying everywhere. And then at that point, you'll usually take your curling iron or your straightener or whatever it is to kind of smooth away those flyaways. But I haven't put oil on my hair, and I feel like the smoothness of it is incredibly impressive. So there's obviously different variations of this product that are a lot more affordable. However, I really do think you're paying for, one, the efficiency of the product. It's super easy to use, super user-friendly. Two, it saves you so much time. It really does cut down on all the steps. Three, I really do appreciate that I don't have to put oil in my hair. I could easily walk out like this and it's fine. I don't have crazy flyaways. I don't have, you know, any, like, it doesn't, my hair doesn't feel dry or damaged at all. I feel like that's what really sets this technology apart from other brands and other products, is how well it works. I don't feel like it's damaging to my hair, and I really do love this. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys found it useful in some way, and please let me know if you guys have tried the Dyson Air Wrap, if you love the Dyson Air Wrap. Let me know in the comments below, and we can discuss it a little bit further. If you have any questions, also feel free to either DM me or leave it below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.